We're learning a new or another special log. Okay, so common log has what base?
10.
10. Okay, so that's common log. Well, there's also natural log. I know, right? That has the base E. Y'all remember E? It has its own special button on the calculator.
Oh, that's E. So this will be fairly easy.
It shouldn't be too bad. But there's a whole nother, instead of writing log base E to the x, we actually just write ln of x.
You're lying.
I did it in cursive because I felt like it would look like a 1, which I guess the log looks like a 1 too, but whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, but so ln is natural log, and that's the exact same thing as log base E. Got it? And there's a button on your calculator that's ln. It's where the E is. Yeah? Okay, makes sense that they go together. That is the foundation of what we're doing today. That logs with base E are natural logs, and so we just put ln, which is log natural, I guess. Now we don't actually have to graph any of these, but just so you know, the inverse of our natural log, so y equals ln of x, is y equals e to the x. So to graph it, we would graph e to the x, which, hey, is this blue thing, y equals e to the x, okay, and then we reflect it, and we get our natural log. So the red one is y equals ln of x, natural log of x. Okay, so that's how we get to that. This is called, I kind of went out of order. This is called the natural log. Sorry. That looks like BG. It's supposed to say log. All right. So natural logs have what base?
I'm going to go with
E. Common logs have what base?
10.
Natural logs have what base?
E.
Okay, we're getting somewhere. All right, so remember, natural log, it's still a log, so we can use all the properties that we used for regular logs. All right, so this says simplify it. So we want to write this group of natural logs as one single natural log. All right, let's continue. Okay, so how can we combine these? What do we need to do first? Move the 3. Where do we move it? To the exponent. So we'll have natural log of 6 cubed minus natural log of 8. What's 6 cubed?
6 times 6 is 36 plus 180.
216. All right. So now, what do we do to combine these? They're being subtracted, so how do we write it as one log? What? Division, yes. So we write natural log. Which one goes on top? No, the 216. The first one goes on top. And then over 8. So what's 216 divided by 8? 27. So natural log of 27. ln 27. That's your answer. We okay? Remember the power property, quotient property? There isn't. It's all right. It's all right. Okay, let's do one more. What do we need to do first here?
Move the 1/4 to the other side.
Okay, so we're going to move 1/4 both to there. Hope you feel better. Natural log of 3 to the 1/4 plus natural log of x to the 1/4.
Oh man.
No. What is a fourth as an exponent? What is that the same as?
Quart. I don't even know what the word for four is. The root
Fourth?
of four. I don't know.
Fourth? I think it's fourth. Fourth root. You are correct. I'm very impressed with part of that. Okay, fourth root of 3.
Recording this, please.
Yes. Fourth root of x. They probably can hear it. Surely not. All right. Now, what do? Multiply them. Very good. Use product properties. So natural log of, well, we have fourth root of 3 and then fourth root of x. We can combine those and say natural log of fourth root 3x. It's what you said. I just took another step. There is. It says ln on it. It's right by logs. Okay. So now we're solving. So we're trying to find what x is. So we got to kind of pull things away from x, get x out of the mess. So what can we move first? The 2, and it comes to the front, right? So we get 2 natural log of 3x plus 5 equals 4. What can we do with the 2 now? Yes. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Those cancel, so we get natural log of 3x plus 5 equals 2. So far, so good. Now x is stuck in this natural log thing. So is there any way we can get rid of the natural log? No, the 5's stuck in the natural log too. You can't pull it out. No, no, no. Pretend it's not there. That's a good one. Perhaps. Okay, so logs are related to exponents, right? So maybe we can put it in exponential form. Y'all remember that? Okay, so remember that if we have log base b of y equals x, we can switch it to the form y equals b to the x. Okay, so for us, I'm going to rewrite this as a log. It's log base what? What's that? Of natural logs, what's the base? E. Oh my goodness, I've asked you that like 4 times already. Okay, 3x plus 5 equals 2. Okay, we're just writing it out here so we don't get confused about what the base is. So the base is E, so what do I write? Big E
to the 2 squared.
E squared equals 3x plus 5. All right, use your calculator. Figure out what E squared is. From here. So it equaled x, so x becomes the exponent, so 2 became the exponent.
E squared is 7.389056099. E squared equals
So somebody tell me again, what's E squared?
7.3891.
7.3891, and that equals 3x plus 5. Now we just got to get x, so subtract 5, let's see, that gives us 2.3891, divide it by 3, so somebody tell me what that is. 7964. Very good.
Is it necessary to go to that many decimal points?
Go at least 2. If not, 4 is just kind of a good number. If y'all are the people who look in the back of the book, some of the examples like this, they might give you 2 answers. As long as you have 1, that's okay. They did it a different way. I don't know. Just don't worry about it. It's not important. So as long as you have 1 answer, it'll be good. Okay? All right. Ready for the last one? No? Yes, we can do it. All right. So we're trying to pull things. We're trying to get to x. So what can we pull away?
2.5.
Subtract 2.5 to the other side. So we get 7e to the 2x equals 17.5. Then what? divide by 7. So e to the 2x equals what? 2.5. No, because we got that x in there. Okay, when we got stuck earlier, we were in log form here, and we had to go to exponential. So now we're stuck in exponential, so let's try putting it in log form. Okay, so we'll have log base what? E of 2.5 equals 2x. Well, what's log E? What's that the same thing as? ln. So natural log of 2.5 equals 2x. You can figure out 2.5 in the calculator. What do you get? 0.9163. Is that what you said? Yes, here we divide by 2 and you get your answer. X equals what? 0.82? 81? 82? 81? I don't know.
The next number is 5, so I just rounded it up.
400.
Okay, so it just depends on whether you typed the 0.9163 in yourself or if you just use the answer from before it rounded. So that's either 1 or 2. Either one works. All right, any questions? Okay, remember if you get stuck and you're in log, then just put it to exponential form. If you're stuck and you're in exponential form, go back to log.
There's
Okay.
no backside.
There's no backside. That's the end of the notes for chapter 8.